Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randesha, or Randy4short, and in today's video I am going to show you my plan to get 1 month ahead without saving any extra funds or jeopardizing like our savings goal by putting in as much money as possible into our medical sinking fund. So let me zoom you guys in and then I'll show you what I'm thinking and like what my plan is for 2021. So 1 second. Okay, so if some of you are like me, you get paid on the 1st. And with that, that means that you're going to get paid 3 times in January. So I've mapped out all of my paydays in this new Happy Planner. Oh, I don't have this is my Franken planner, so I don't have the cover on it, but it's the Happy Planner budget planner that came out for 2021. So this is the year at a glance page. And basically what I'm doing is I just mapped out all of my paydays on this year at a glance page just to see what months are going to have 3 paychecks in 1 month. And then when would I start to get 1 month ahead if I decide to use that 3rd paycheck to just continue paying bills instead of just paying for, wants versus needs. So if you look at it, all of the circles are my paydays. So if you get paid on the 1st, you will be paid 3 times in a month, 3 times for 2021. So don't worry if you don't get paid on the 1st. I did do the same thing on another year at a glance and another planner. So I am going to show you, but I just want to go through this example of those of us that are getting paid on the 1st of January first. So you're going to get paid 3 times in January, July, and December. So what I've done is I'm like, okay, so if I take my 3rd check and basically just use it for bills only, I mean, you could be as strict as you want. If you want to buy you a little something out of that 3rd check and just treat yourself, then you can do that. But I would say put the majority of that check towards bills. So it is our goal to put our entire 3rd paychecks to bills. So if we do that, then looking at this, I've color coded my paychecks as well. So this blue is January. So the 1st and 15th paychecks of January is going to pay January's bills. But as you can see, this 3rd paycheck in pink is for February's bills. So with January 29th and the February 12th checks, we are already starting to get ahead. So we will be paying a little bit of February's bills with January's money. So if you continue that, you're paying a little bit from February's paychecks, you're paying a little bit of March's bills, and so on and so forth until you get to July. So with July, you will actually be 1 month ahead because you will be paying August bills, because you see the yellow right here. Yellow is August bills, but you will be paying them in July. So as of July, you will be paying your bills 1 month ahead because you will be paying your August bills with your July income, and so on and so forth. And then it gets even better because in December you will be paying your December bills with November's income. But in December, you are already going to be paying January 2022's bill with your December income. But since we get paid 3 times in 2021, that last paycheck of December, so December 31st paycheck, we will be paying February 2022's bills with this last check of December. So you'll be a month and a half ahead of your bills. And that's only just using the money that's already coming in. So if you just do for the year of 2021, those of you who are getting paid on January 1st, if you just budget 2 paychecks, no matter when they come in, if you budget 2 paychecks per month, then you will be a month and a half ahead of your bills and paying your bills come the last month of the year. So I hope that makes sense. So if that is one of your goals to be 1 month ahead in your bills, then this is a very easy way to do it. It just takes discipline is, the thing that's going to really matter in this case, because those of us who are on debt journeys, it's so tempting to take that check and pay off debt. But if, just take this with a grain of salt and do what you think is best. So really quick, before I show you how I intend to track this, let me show you the schedule for those who get paid on January 8th as opposed to those who get paid on January 1st. Okay, so for those of you who get paid on January 8th, this is your 2021 schedule. So you will be paying your bills with paychecks that come in for that month. So like you will be paying your January bills with your January income, your February bills with your February income. And that'll stay the same until you get to April, which is your first 3 paycheck month or a magic month, whatever you want to call it. So once you get to April, that third check, if you put it towards bills, you will be starting to pay May's bills with April's check. So on and so forth until you get to October, which is your second magic month or 3 paycheck month. So in October, you will be paying your November bills with October's paychecks. And then November, you'll be paying your December bills with November's paycheck. And then December, you'll be paying January 2022's bills with your December 2021 income. So the only difference between those of us that are getting paid on January 1st versus those who are getting paid on January 8th is that we'll be, because we get paid 3 times in 3 months, or we have 3 magic months versus those of you who get paid on January 8th, you only have 2 magic months in 2021. So with that, it just means that those of us who get paid on the 1st, we will be 1.5 months ahead of bills versus those who get paid on the 8th, you will only be 1 month ahead of bills. But I mean, you'll be ahead of bills, which I think that's the most important thing, because if you look back on 2020, how many of us was caught with our pants down? How many of us was caught with no money in our savings and we were living paycheck to paycheck? How many of us wish that in 2020 we were 1 month ahead in bills so that, when things were tight in the current month, then we already knew that we had some extra time because we were using the money that was coming in for this month was next month's bill money. So, I mean, that's just my thinking. And that's one of the goals that I want to work towards for 2021. And again, if you do this, you don't have to pick up extra shifts in order to earn extra money. You can do it with just the money that's already coming in. I hope that made sense. And let me show you, I've already started to get ahead. For example, we are paying our January mortgage with December income. So we've already started, but let me show you how basically I'm keeping up with it. And it's pretty simple. I'm not really doing anything different. So if you watch my January, where am I going? My January's budget, then you've already seen this. So basically, I do my income. Let me make sure you guys are in frame. So basically, any money that I am using for the next month's bills, I put it in my rollover line in my income section so that I know that money is separate from the income that's coming in that month. So this first line, N&D pay, that's the money that's coming in that actual month. So the money that is coming in January. This rollover money is the money that came in December that we saved in order to pay January's bill. So this money right here is basically the money that we took from December in order to pay our January mortgage. So we just like saved it and rolled it over to the next month. So, and how I keep my budget balanced is that this rollover money needs to equal either one exact line item in your expenses, or it needs to equal like a number of items in your expenses. So for example, this rollover is $1,859.45. I have just one line that equals this, and it is my rollover OMA. The OMA stands for 1 month ahead. So this rollover income is going to pay this rollover 1 month ahead income. And right now that is just our mortgage. I'm thinking in the future, once we pick up more steam and we get more money and we are paying more bills ahead of time, I'm probably going to create a section that says 1 month ahead or something like that, like right here. And I'll put the line items or like all of the items that make up this rollover income right here. So for example, if this was $2,000, then I would have 1,859 spot 45 for our mortgage for the next month. And then I will have the difference, whatever that difference is probably just short of $150. I would have some bills, say like Verizon, because that's what our bill is. Well, use a lie. Our Verizon bill is not that high anymore. So anyways, but it's pretty close. So say our Verizon bill, we decided to get 1 month ahead of, as well as our mortgage. So our second line would be Verizon $150 or very, very close to it. So those two items together would equal the rollover income that we rolled over from the previous month to help pay bills. So I hope that made sense. Like I can't really do too much to show you guys what I mean, but I hope it made sense. If you keep up with the channel, then you'll see this in action, especially once we get to July. I mean, that's a long ways away, but not really. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button if it feels right. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.